Hi, welcome to the Crafts channel. My name's Corinne. I've got a really simple shaker card here with a little spring chicken on the front, and he's filled, I say he, chickens are female, aren't they? He's filled with glittering gems under an acetate cover. And shaker cards are very easy to make. You just need to make sure that you don't have any holes around the outside. So let's get started. Grab yourself a square of patterned paper and just mount it onto a slightly larger square. I do need my glasses so I can see that I'm mounting this correctly. Mount it onto a slightly larger square of plain card. Do the same with a rectangle of contrasting card, because this will sit across the centre. And then we're just going to add a bit of lace. What you need to do is actually make sure your piece of card is straight. So you put your piece of lace on straight as well. And we'll top that with a piece of ribbon held on with some double-sided tape. And we'll wrap that double-sided tape round to the back. Put a bit of gross grain ribbon across the centre of that. And again, wrap it to the back. And then that way you don't get any nasty frayed edges. And then we'll just glue this strip of card across the middle. Let's find the middle. Gridded cutting mats are brilliant because they do enable you to find the centre of things very easily. So that's your background. And then what you'll need to do is, if you can get a circle die, I mean, I've got a multitude of circle dies here. Cut a concentric circle and then cut a same size circle of acetate and glue it onto the back of this frame. And then what you need to do is, if you grab yourself some double-sided foam tape, you need to add double-sided foam tape all the way around this circle. Now, because I'm a bit of an idiot, I didn't pick up the double-sided foam tape this morning. I picked up the double-sided foam pads. And so, I also don't have any thumbnails today either. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put foam pads all around the edge here without leaving any gaps. So obviously this is going to take me a little bit of time, so come back to me in a sec. So I have now covered the back of my acetate frame with sticky pads. Only took me a couple of minutes, but I thought you'd be bored watching it. Before you go any further, don't be tempted to just then stick your decorative disc on the back there. Grab yourself some little pearls and gemstones onto your acetate. And this is why you need to make sure that you don't have any gaps in your foam pads, because these things will fall out. Once they're in there, try and flatten them out as best as you can, and then take your decorative background circle and just pop it over those foam pads. And if you cut that circle a little bit smaller than your frame, what you can then do is use the residual sticky from your foam pads to fix this to the middle of your card. And then we'll just pop a little sentiment on there. A little chicken. And then we'll just tie a neat bow from a bit of extra gross grain ribbon. Let's just clip those ends off neatly. Oh. And pop that on the side with a bit of tacky glue. Like so. And then you can just trim the corners of your card up with some little flat-backed sticky pearls. So there you have it. Very easy shaker card. And if you're new to card making, it looks quite daunting, but actually it's very easy as long as you make sure you don't have any gaps in your foam pads. So I hope you enjoyed that demonstration. I hope we'll see you again very, very soon. In the meantime, please keep safe. Please keep watching. Subscribe to the Crafts channel if you get the opportunity, and we'll see you soon.